98 in my 10th standard. In my 12th, I scored 77.8. And in my graduation, I have a CGPA of 7.99. I graduated in BTech in computer science engineering. I have graduated in 2024, and so I have a gap year of 1 year.
ठीक है। ये जो आपका इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल हुआ था इसकी डेट एंड टाइमिंग क्या थी?
14th Feb को मॉर्निंग बैच था 8 a.m. इन मुंबई कैंपस.
ऑफलाइन?
यस, ऑफलाइन.
डीडी के दिन में कितने प्रोसेस शेड्यूल थे आपके लिए?
इट वाज सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन था और फिर पीआई था. देयर वाज नो वैट एंड नथिंग लाइक दैट. जिन लोगों के डॉक्यूमेंट्स मैच नहीं कर रहे थे, या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल जिनका डिग्री प्रोविजनल डिग्री था, नॉट एक्चुअल डिग्री, सो उनसे अंडरटेकिंग लिया जा रहा था. और अगर कुछ चेंजेस वगैरह हो रहे थे तो तभी भी उन्होंने अंडरटेकिंग किया था, एंड दे वर नॉट डिस्क्वालिफाइंग राइट अवे. सो इफ यू हैव सम मार्क्स इशू, दे विल जस्ट राइट इट डाउन एंड दे विल चेंज इट. टोटल 10 पैनल्स थे, और ईच पैनल हैड 2 पैनलिस्ट, और मैं लास्ट थी इन माय पैनल. सो I came at 8 a.m., but मेरा interview हुआ 12 o'clock something. So I was the last one over there, and I had 2 panelists. Both were males, and they were in their early 40s or something. So yeah.
ठीक है, क्वेश्चंस कैसे स्टार्ट हुए उनके?
So first of all, they asked me for my documents, and so he was one of them was looking at documents, and the other was asking me a few questions about my graduation. So he said that you have graduated in 2024. So what did you do after that, like between completing your BTech and today? So I told them my answers, and after that, he asked me how good am I at math, and so he followed with some math questions, जो काफी engineering related थे, like Euler's quotient, जो CAT में भी था. And apart from that, he also asked me about how to define pi. So it was an easy question, but you wouldn't get it in the moment. How would you define pi? It was a very easy question though. And then later on, the next panelist, then he asked me a few more math questions. He asked me about hexadecimals and how would you convert a decimal into hexadecimal. He gave me a few numbers to convert them, and then also binary to decimal. And when I converted them, he also asked me why do we do such a thing and why is it 0 and 1. So that went on for a while, and after that he asked me my graduation subjects. So for me, he asked me operating systems questions. So he asked me why do we need operating systems, and why are there so many different operating systems. He asked me to name them, and then he asked me why do we have so many of them. So I answered that, and after that he asked me what is cloud computing and why do we need cloud computing. So we talked about cloud computing as well for a while, and why the basic questions, like not really technical but very businessy questions on why do we need it and who is benefiting more from cloud computing. So things like that. I was selected for both PGP and PGP HRM. So they asked me why do you want to do PGP and HRM. So I answered that, and then we had an extempore. So my extempore topic was hybrid working model is sustainable. So why is hybrid working model sustainable? That was the topic. And I had 30 seconds to think about it, and I had to speak for 1 minute. He had a stopwatch with him. As soon as 1 minute was over, he told me to stop. And then current affairs pucha. They asked me about the recent thing that happened in Bangladesh. Hasina, uh, Sheikh Hasina. So I told them about that. Then we had a discussion about that, and why did she flee the country? Why is she in India, and why is India helping them? And the protests क्यों हुए थे? So they asked that to get some clarity on my answer, and that was it. That was the end of the interview. This was a very chill panel. I would say they were not asking me technical questions. So as I said, उन्होंने बहुत ही business ही पूछा कि who, मतलब इतना expensive है cloud, so why are people using it? So we had to answer on that, and what are the services of cloud? तो वो था, and not much on कहाँ है data centers, India में कहाँ बन रहा है, nothing like that.
कितनी देर चला ये प्रोसेस आपका?
Around 10 minutes because my last tea, and I think even they were hungry, so I just wrapped it up.
10 मिनट
But they
के हिसाब
seemed
से?
very patient and they were listening. Yeah, they were listening very nicely.